How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you guys are. Today, I'm putting on this 3-inch K&N air intake on my 2003 Volkswagen GTI 1.8 liter turbo. So let's get right into it. Before I actually start this video, I want to let you guys know about my sponsorship, the Neck Collectors. They sell shirts, they sell hats, they sell lanyards, they sell stickers, banners, you name it, they have it. If you've seen the Japanese muscle stickers on cars, such as 240SXs, Miatas, they're the ones who are the ones making those. They blessed me with a sponsor code to give you guys 20% off at checkout on their site. That sponsor code is Sponsor20, so go check them out on Instagram or at the link below. Awesome people over there, go check them out. And let's get right into this video. So we have our K&N air, I keep saying A. We have our K&N air intake right here. And before I start actually putting this thing on, I want to let you guys know about some tips on these GTIs on the air intake system. Stock, they come with these air boxes right here. It has the bottom part of the air box, the filter that goes in here, and then the top, and then this goes into a clip, and then your O2 sensor and your breather line. I took the breather line and I put a little filter on it just like this right here, clamped it down, and then I kept the O2 sensor and all this compartment stuff right here the way it is. I kept the box in here, and I'll tell you guys why I did that for a reason. So wanted to let you guys know about that. So let's go ahead and start putting this in. So I don't know how well you guys can see this. Looks pretty alright. What you're going to want to do on these K&N air intakes, they come with a silver line right here. I like to put that on the top just as an indicator. K&N also supplies you with a clamp. I'm pretty sure this is one of the larger sizes, but I would recommend go out and buy a couple clamps of assorted sizes just in case. And you want to put the clamp about that far off of the intake itself, or of this tube on the intake. I don't know how we can see that, but it's about the width of a quarter. So you're gonna want to go ahead and put that on the air intake, or not the air intake. I can't think of the name of this. Let me know in the comments. I forgot. I'm having a brain fart situation. And then you're gonna want to take your flathead screwdriver like this right here, and you want to push on the intake. Hold on 1 second. There we go. I have to double check myself. You're gonna want to push on the air intake, not crazy hard, but just enough where it's snug, and you can go ahead and start tight. You can just sit in the air box. It won't hurt it, won't throw any codes, nothing like that. So you guys can use this air box as a holster. So as you can see, we got it in here just like this right here. My breather line is sitting about 2 inches away from it. Nothing's blocking anything. So then, once you have this in, you want to give it a light shake. Don't obviously yank it, but you want to give it a nice shake and make sure nothing comes out, nothing comes loose, something like that. And it seems like we do not. So we got that in there. So now the fun part is we get to hear it. So let's do that. We did it. Hi guys, this is how you install your K&N air intake or aftermarket air intake. They're pretty much all similar. Just make sure you do your research. But that's how you install it onto your Mk4 GTI 1.8 liter turbo. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. Any suggestions you have for this car, please let me know down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.